again. See you again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today, I guess I'm getting started on the NC. I don't exactly even know what this video is going to entail, but I'm going to take the top off and I'm going to clean the rest of the glass that I haven't already cleaned out. So let's get to it. I've got the heated jacket on. River's got his jacket on because it's like 25 degrees. So, you know, fun. Again, so sad. My poor hardtop. Hopefully this can get fixed. We'll see. Okay, so it's insane that the glass went everywhere and it's still just coming out from all over the place. So I'm gonna try and vacuum it up. It's just crazy how far the glass went. Like it was all the way behind that seat, under that seat, in the top, like crazy. So I'm gonna try and get this all out. So I'm gonna start off by taking these front ones off. I really don't think the order matters, but here we go. I definitely think this is, I don't know, the interior looks okay. I don't know, hard to tell. I don't know that glass is gonna fit. Again, this might all have to get pulled out and redone, but the inner skin, surprisingly, looks okay. It's gonna be so weird driving this car with the soft top again. I'm a little bit nervous about it, not gonna lie, because I really feel like the hard top is what saved my life in this accident. So I don't know how I feel about driving it at all with the soft top, but the hard top has to come off to get repaired. So like, kind of have to suck it up. I mean, I just don't necessarily want to drive the Mini Cooper right now. I don't love driving the Mini Cooper in the winter. Ironically, this is actually better in the winter than the Mini Cooper has been. All right, so taking these ones out. Looks like this front one definitely is messed up now. Not a surprise there, but this whole thing will probably have to get re-tapped when we put the new one in, but for now, let's just get the soft top going. Fun hardtop pieces back here. Nice. Clean that up later. Okay, let's see if the top goes up. It's a little frozen, but so after the biggest battle of my life, I have the soft top up and I didn't film it. Wish I did. But I'll give you a reenactment of what it took. Both hands pushing here, bracing against the seat. And I got my foot up here, pushing. And that's what finally got it on. I've been struggling for a while. But now it's on. Okay, so obviously the whole car needs a good vacuum and a good deep steam clean, but I can't do that because it's freezing, so leaving it wet outside will freeze everything and be pointless. But I am gonna at least do the rugs, or the floor mats. The floor mats. I'm gonna do the floor mats and steam clean those in the house and let them dry in the house. But yeah, we are like kind of in this weird limbo. I need to get a window. That's gonna be the first thing, and make it like a car again. So I'm gonna look on eBay and try and find one of those. Okay, so today was like the first day that I wasn't dying in pain from my muscles being in spasm, and I really thought it was a good idea to go do stuff on the car, and now they're all killing me and in spasm again. So I made a little ramen, and I'm gonna watch some TV, and then we'll get back to it. The ramen in question. Okay, so now that I'm feeling better, we are gonna vacuum these. Honestly, on camera, they look so much dirtier than they do in person. That's embarrassing. Vacuum these up, and then we'll steam clean them because they're dirty and they have snow and salt and mud all in them. So let's clean these up. So they're all vacuumed up, and now we're gonna steam clean them. Okay, here we go. These are before. It actually doesn't look as bad as it looks in person, which is weird because or the opposite, but we've got some salt crusties going on here. A little dirty, a little muddy. So you'll notice the difference. Okay, time to turn this baby on. Okay, so got the soft top up. That's all good, finally, thank God. And my neck is finally better. It's been a couple days. I mean, not better, it still hurts, but better than how bad it was from doing this top. Obviously, this is gonna have to get repaired, but I pulled the interior panel here on the A-pillar, and it actually looks like the interior skin didn't get damaged. So it's gonna be these exterior layers that need to get repaired, and that's obviously going to have to go to a body shop because I'm not a body shop, nor am I an expert in that field. But I'm really hoping this can be repaired. And as we know, the intention for this car has always been for it to be a track car, but this is really just put an emphasis on that. But we need to make sure the glass can be put in properly. Don't really want Lexan. I still drive this car on the street. The reason why this hasn't gone more in the track car direction quicker is because we were using the K24 NC, and gonna take everything we learned from that and apply it to this, as well as some of the parts are temporary parts, and the car will be getting new parts, and those parts will go from the KNC to the 2.5 NC. And I think long term this will get a K series in it, I suspect, but I'm just waiting to see if there's some other things I can work out. And I am enjoying the 2.5, and it's cheap and easy and known. So until this lets go, and we might even have a second 2.5 when this does let go, for the foreseeable future, we are a 2.5. But eventually, I do think this will get a K in it. But the one thing that I can't really do right now, and I'm gonna have to take the door apart for it, and seeing as it's about to snow, and I still do drive this car, I don't want to do that right now. There's a bunch of glass that's actually still stuck in the window, and I think I'm gonna have to pull the door apart on the interior to do that. So until I have new glass, I'm not gonna pull it apart, because, well, essentially I'm just doing double the work. So until I have the new glass here and I can put the new window in, I'm just gonna leave the glass that's stuck in the window in there. There's really nothing I can do to get it out right now because the window was already rolled all the way up when I got hit, so it's not like I can push it out anymore. But I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. As you can see, there's still a bunch of glass in here that the door just needs to get taken apart to pull out. This is the worst of it. I'm really hoping that this can get fixed. I just haven't been able to take it to a body shop because I've been hurting or the weather's been so terrible that the people I want to take it to, I'm not willing to drive that far in terrible weather. So hopefully the weather gets better in the next couple weeks and we can go take it to the body shop. Trying to do stuff on the Miata in this horribly freezing weather. It is like 20 degrees out. But someone small and brown has requested that we do a quick zoom. So we are zooming. Hey, quick zoom in. Oh, we're pointing. Oh wow, where did you find that? Come here. Whoa, where did you get that? Oh my goodness. I can't believe you can carry it. Good job. So I apologize in advance. I know this video wasn't the most exciting or interesting video. It's really just trying to get the Miata cleaned up from the accident and some of the winter. But there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, which is also part of why the content's a little slower and more boring right now, because there's so much going on that I'm trying to get ironed out and worked out so that we'll have more content and way more things and things you guys haven't even seen or even known are a thing yet to come in. And there's some other things that I'm trying to iron out and get finished, and hopefully this all works out. And I'm really excited and I can't wait to share it with you, but I just can't talk about any of it just yet. But I am super stoked for all of it and I'm really hoping it'll all work out. I'm hoping to get more partnerships this year. That's one of my big goals for 2025, is get more partnerships for all of the cars and all of the builds. So hopefully we can find somebody that wants to partner with the NC and making it a track car. So we'll see. Definitely excited for 2025. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.